Why? Because why? Okay, belching contest. Go.
Ladies first.
No, men first.
Nope.
Uh-oh. Stop, no tickling. That didn't go down right.
Too weak.
No kidding. Okay, give me a minute. Whew. Right in my face. Ugh, fuck. This isn't gonna go down right at all.
Hurry.
Nope.
Too weak. Can't do it.
Oh, it got stuck. It got stuck.
Weak.
It got stuck. That was horrible. That was like a little blur. Hey, that was like a little blur. It sounded like a frog.
Ribbit. Burp the ABCs. Burp the ABCs. Yeah, you can do
No,
it.
I don't want to.
Come on. You know
I don't want to. I don't want to.
Why?
Because I just don't.
Pretty good.
Here we go. That sounded weird.
Damn, got stuck.
Smells like Monster.
Well, what do you think? What were you expecting? It smell like peanut butter?
Yeah.
Yeah, peanut butter sounds good.
Nice one.
Becky,
What?
I love you.
Love you too.
Haha. Okay, bye-bye, peoples. Oh, you suck. Bye-bye.
That sucked.
Ribbit. Ribbit. Bye.
Adios.